Suppose if you are wondering how to get the BIP report in PDF format or any other format, if you are having multiple output formats in your BIP report template using the web service, that is the SOAP web service external report WSS service, then we are going to learn in this class. Now before I go ahead and show the demonstration how to get the BIP report using the SOAP web service for BIP reports, I will quickly walk you through my data model for the BIP report. Here is the data model. So that is based on the SQL query. What I am doing is, in this data model or in the report, I am extracting the account ID, class code and the status for the customer. And here I am having one dummy parameter. So that is it with this BIP report data model. If I go over to the data over here, let me quickly show you how the data will look like. I am passing over here a dummy data, that is I have written the account name like whatever I give over here, so that I will get the details what you see over here. Now this is the short glimpse on the data model which I am using for the demonstration. Now let me walk you through my BIP report and show you how we can extract the BIP report in Excel or .xlsx format. Here is my report which is based on the data model which we had gone through just now. Coming to the output format, so this BIP report can show the output in PDF, Word as well as in the Excel format apart from CSV. Coming to the default format, there is the CSV. Let me switch over to Excel, click on Save. So now when you check mark this default format Excel and when you directly hit from the SOAP UI, you will be getting the output in Excel format. But what if we change it to CSV and then we want output in Excel format? That we will see in this class. Now click on the view report and automatically it will run the BIP report and it will download the .xlsx file. So the Excel file we cannot view in this BIP report catalog terminal or the console. View as a list. Now let me change it back to the CSV, that is the default format should be CSV. Click on Save. Now I will show you how we can consume this BIP report using SOAP web service and download the data in Excel file. So here is the sample SOAP UI request, how it looks like when we make use of this external report WSS service, SOAP API or the SOAP web service. I will not go into depth and explain you how to consume the BIP report. This we had covered earlier in our classes. I will just click on Run. As we have selected default format as CSV, we are getting the application content type as text/plain. So this is the content type for CSV file. Now in order to instruct BIP report SOAP web service that we need the output in Excel format, we have to explicitly mention it in the request. In order to know what is the attribute which accepts this parameter, we have to check the sample payload. So when you consume this external WSS service for the first time in your SOAP UI, it will construct this dummy SOAP envelope. So there is this attribute called attribute format. We need to copy this from here, go to our request and we have to place under report request. Here we have to mention this extension name, that is xlsx. This is the extension for Excel file. Now let me click on Run and switch over to the XML. Here if you see the content type, let me show you over here just by expanding it like this. So it says Office document spreadsheet. So spreadsheet is one more name for the Excel format files. So this is how we can extract the BIP report in Excel format just by mentioning the extension or the format name over here, that is xlsx. So in our earlier classes, we had seen how to export the BIP report in PDF format as well as the Word format. And in this class, we have seen how to extract using the xlsx format. So these are the widely used and the popular file formats which we usually use to export BIP report. So like this, we can consume this base 64 data of your Excel file and use in your projects.